exploration, sneaking into an abandoned warehouse. Flashlights cut through the dark. Echoes, dust particles dancing in light beams. April 20th, rainstorm madness. Waterproof GoPro footage, friends running through flooded roads, one person dancing Bollywood style under a bus stop. Then, drone shot above the soaked city. April 22nd, road trip footage. Wind in hair, sunglasses on, handheld cam from the back seat. The montage picks up pace, more clips fly by, a failed attempt to cook Maggie on a portable stove, car karaoke turning into a full-on concert, epic mountain views, wildlife glimpses, and a deer that photobombs the lens. April 24th, beach volleyball match. Someone hits a six and breaks a nearby juice glass, cut to slow-mo explosion of orange pulp. April 25th, a rooftop sundown painting session. Paint splashes, canvas close-ups, giggles, time-lapse of the artwork. April 27th, drone captures friends racing on cycles through a forest trail. Camera dips low under the trees, catching sunlight streaks. April 29th, a group video call projected onto a white sheet at night, remote friends joining in. Laughter and teary eyes. April 30th, the final day. Golden hour rooftop. Slow panned across tired, happy faces. A toast. Then, rapid-fire flashback to all 30 days in 30 seconds. Beat drop. Clips stutter, sync to the music, jump cuts of laughter, stumbles, water fights, street food, hugs, camera winks. The music slows. Fade to black. Final shot. April 2025, 1 month. Infinite memories. The screen stays dark for a second. Then bloopers roll. Someone walking into a drone shot. Another person dancing, without realizing the camera is on. Laughter from behind the camera. A spilled drink on the equipment. Then, credits Bollywood style. Shot on phones, hearts, and borrowed tripods. Background track. Acoustic version of a feel-good indie song. The group waves goodbye. One last shot. A time-lapse of the moon rising as the camera pulls away from the city. Text fades in. Best month ever. Then silence.